That's a system that will be working its way eastward toward us, bringing our next potential for a messy mix moving into Tuesday. That's going to have a big impact on your Tuesday morning commute. But for now, you're heading out. It's actually looking pretty dry out there. It's a relatively quiet start, although we do have some clouds off to our west. These snow showers are tracking farther off to the northwest. Something we'll have to keep an eye on through this afternoon because a strong northwest wind will be kicking in here locally as we progress into the afternoon, and that will help to pull in some of those clouds and perhaps even a flurry or two. And you can see that here right from Orange moving down towards southern Worcester County. That's an area where we do see a better chance for a few flurries this afternoon, even extending out toward 91 as well. Otherwise, your forecast looking mainly dry. We'll even see a little bit of sun breaking out this afternoon. So when compared to yesterday's gloomy forecast, you're definitely seeing some improvements today. This is a concern this morning. Our temperatures are down below freezing, especially for those inland locations. Natick at 29, here in Needham, we're at 31 degrees. We have Millis down to 29. So it's just cold enough for some of that rainfall from yesterday to turn over to ice. Luckily, the road crews have been out overnight. They are treating those roadways, but watch for some of those untreated surfaces as it is rather chilly, especially inland. We have many locations down below freezing. Let's get into that wind forecast because it really starts to pick up this afternoon. This is the wind gust potential, and we do have a potential for wind gusts near 30 miles per hour kicking in by the late afternoon. So that will make our highs in the 40s today feel quite a bit colder, and it's also going to help to usher in much colder air that's parked just to our north and west up through Canada. So that cold air will be moving in tonight. You'll feel deep chill settling in heading into tomorrow as well. But for today, until that cold air moves in, we are seeing high temperatures in the 40s, which is well above average. Our average high for Boston 36, a high of 44. That is doing pretty well for January. We have some clouds moving through today, and again that chance for a few flurries west of 495, but it's a mainly dry outlook for your Sunday. Great if you have some Christmas decorations to still get down. But tonight, the chill. We're down to the teens, 18-degree low for Boston, which will be a springboard as we head into tomorrow as we stay below freezing for Boston at just about a high of 30 degrees. Many locations topping out in the low to mid 30s. That cold air sets us up as we move into tomorrow night. Clouds spread through the area and eventually some snow showers which do move through as we head into the Tuesday morning commute. This is going to be light, and the issue is that it transitions to rainfall rather quickly. This is noon on Tuesday, and it's mainly rain through Tuesday night. So although there's a chance of a light coating along the Mass Pike into Boston, it changes over to rain and will likely be washed out. North and west, that's where you see a light accumulations, but don't get those shovels handy just yet. We do have some mixed showers moving into Wednesday, something to watch as we move through much of the day. We start out in the morning with that mix pushing through and perhaps some light snow showers west of 495 heading into Wednesday night. So a couple bumps in the road this week, starting to feel a lot more like winter.